Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable the typing indicator feature in the Signal application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, click on the chats icon down below in the left side corner and click on your initials in the upper left corner of the screen. Tap on settings, which is the second option, then scroll down and click on privacy. Here you have the typing indicators feature, that's the third option. As you can see, when it is disabled, you won't see when someone is typing, when another user is inputting a message, but when you tap on this button on the right side of the screen, the typing indicator will be turned on, so it will signal when someone is inputting a message and typing. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.